That was Westcliff.
No, they went, alright, down Westcliff to make a bonfire.
What was he saying?
They're all just walking around with baseball bats with nails through them going like that. It's like, ow! You watch. You ready? Why am I recording?
No, we're not
I won't cooking.
I can't do my job.
You're doing your own work. What does dexterisation mean?
Not a clue.
What? Does what mean?
Dexterisation.
Really cute. Like a pimp. He was looking the lasses all around it. I've got my ears. Cam walked in and all the girls screamed and ran to him.
I was like, Cam!
It's like if a celebrity walked in, that's how like I did.
Yeah. Wow.
Oh, I should have recorded that one.
I got that.
Shut up. Why have you two got the same phone? You're like brother sisters. Shut up. If you say you try and mix the two, it's just like sister. I'll just put brother at the start and at the end of sister. Brother. Sister. Oh, he's actually putting new shoes on in like a muddy field.
Jordan could come in it.
Yeah, I'm based.
No, it's not.
Acres of training.
Yeah.
You training on Bonfire.